strange, unusual sounds and lights in the sky that quote-unquote heal the planet are heard almost everywhere worldwide. This has been happening for the past few years now. It's nothing new. Even the ancient Greeks referred to it. And this unusual lights accompanied by strange sounds have been observed almost all over the world in recent days, and messages on social networks do not stop referring to them. There are more and more messages that mention and warn of the existence of strange lights and sounds, especially around dawn. And those who write these messages come to compare these sounds with airplanes, helicopters, or any other kind of terrestrial flying vehicles, which could fly at very low altitudes. They are also compared to those of unexplained origin that are occasionally heard in various countries and have been called trumpets of the apocalypse or moons of the earth. And they have many other names, of course. The peculiarity of these new unusual sounds that seemed like trumpet sounds or many trumpet sounds or sounds of the apocalypse is that these new sounds are always heard at the same time in different countries, such as Argentina, Spain, Great Britain, United States. And at the sound of these, pets listening to these have a strange reaction to them. They sort of go crazy when they hear these new strange sounds as people exchange different views on the origin and the purpose of these new mysterious sounds, as they seem to describe on networks and in many social media sites. Some claim that they could be due to dozens of artificial satellites and planet-finding satellites, while others use scientific explanations that suggest they may have been some kind of natural phenomenon. And again, I have uploaded in the past videos concerning what the ancient Greeks said that they heard as well. They used to hear these trumpet sounds as well. And they believed it was a changing of a sign of a good omen of a changing of the Earth's and human DNA. But that was what they explained. But anyway, going back to this, others argue that the bright spots are for SpaceX artificial satellites that they see, an accompaniment to private Starlink satellites, or that they may be planets like Venus. The fact is that the sight of lights and new sounds causes confusion, and in many cases, fear as well. Several recently released videos capture, in addition to the new sounds, impressive lights in the sky. Most of the videos have been published by people living in Spain who are extremely surprised by the strange sights, but not only the lights caught the attention of the user who uploaded them, also the sounds that were recorded, while some seem to vibrate at high frequencies, which disturb those who manage to perceive them. It's not just the case in Spain or Europe in general, as Americans have also commented that they hear similar humming sounds and noises, and along with blue flashing like transmitter or some kind of electrical transmission, blue lights, flashes. Now, there are estimates without scientific background that the strange sounds that accompany these unusual lights in the skies around the world are similar to those produced by the fleeting murmur called the hum. Various pseudoscientific theories emerged to explain the strange phenomenon of sound and light, this humming noise from the skies, almost in many cases sounding like a trumpet blast. Now, the most unusual one that stands out from all, and in fact with the most positive comment, is this. Some claim that the sounds are like those of gongs that are heard in sync across the length and breadth of the planet, especially in areas affecting the new virus, in order to cure it, quote unquote. One of those who talked about the possibility of healing through sound frequencies and ripples was the Royal Raymond Rife. Rife was an inventor. I'm trying to translate this. Yeah, Royal Raymond Rife, okay. Rife's great discovery was that all viruses, bacteria, parasites, and other pathogens are sensitive to a certain frequency of sound and can be destroyed by intensifying that frequency. Now, we know that in the past, whenever there was a pandemic, they used to ring the church bells. And another past video, quite some time ago, I was surprised at that. the benefit of ringing church bells, because the vibration, especially of the big bell, the huge bell, as big as a bell you can find, the sound of it would be very low, and the frequency would be very strong. The vibration would be very strong. And they say that the vibration going through the air would crack and split the membrane of the virus. It would split the virus membrane, and that way the virus would be destroyed. This is the benefit of ringing church bells. That's why they used to ring them whenever they had a plague or some kind of Black Death or whatever. They used to ring the church bells because they believed that that would benefit by splitting the membrane of the virus. Now, this again has to do with sound frequency. So Rife's discovery was that all viruses, bacteria, and even parasites and other pathogens are sensitive to a certain frequency of sound, and they can be destroyed by intensifying that frequency. So many users and commentators succumb to this hopeful assessment, whether it has a scientific background or not, as they want to believe that these practices are of new sounds that are heard almost everywhere, are used around the world to heal humanity from virus infection. Of course, these sounds are triggered by some entities that we don't know of. Some believe they could be aliens, in order to achieve the purpose of healing according to the expectations of thousands of people. Now, I've translated this for you from a Greek article, Diadrastika, and I'll leave a link below for you for this. Please leave your comments. And know that, of course, it's historical fact that during the plague they used to ring the church bells would be found because they found that the membrane of the virus would be destroyed. If you've heard any of these hums and sounds or seen these flashing blue lights together with the humming sound, please leave your comments and the location where you heard it. And thank you for your support. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.